How to enhance vocals in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the vocal track you want to enhance. Next, go to the Restore Audio section and start with Speech Enhancement. This tool is designed to automatically improve voice clarity. Adjust the speech strength and compensation sliders, then preview the result until you get the balance you like. After that, head to the Apply Effects section and use the Equalizer. Here you can boost mid and high frequencies to make the vocals sound brighter and more defined, or cut unnecessary low frequencies to remove muddiness. You can also apply dynamic range control to balance the loud and soft parts of the voice, keeping the overall level smooth and professional. If you want your vocals to sound warmer or more natural, try adding a little reverb with low settings. This keeps the voice more present without making it echo too much. Once you have made the adjustments, always use the preview option to listen carefully and fine-tune your settings. When you are satisfied with the results, click Apply to save the changes to your project. Now you know how to enhance vocals in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.